Today, your moment of impact is we're going to talk about attitude. It is the one thing that you have that others don't own. But it's also the one thing that you own that determines the level of success that you'll have in your life. Let me explain. Many people have circumstances that are very much similar to everybody else's, but what determines a person's level of success is how they deal with the circumstance. So my question is, are you a victim or are you a victor? And there's a lot of things that really determine your attitude towards life. You know, it's your upbringing, your belief system, what you were taught, what the world right now is teaching you to believe. And everything that you put in right here projects everything out here. So when you have a hard circumstance in life, 98% of the people in this world will give up, make excuses, and just tell everybody how wrong and how bad things are for them. Now, the 2% of the world that are seeing success will find a way to find a great opportunity to make that opportunity work for them, to find that adversity and jump outside of themselves and do something great. Now, that is the difference between a victor and a victim. People that make excuses will always find themselves in the same circle of circumstance. It's only when you step outside of yourself in these difficult situations and say, I can do this. And don't let the rest of the world determine your outcome by saying you can't, because there's naysayers out there that tell you can't. The whole world's going to tell you can't, because when you start thinking and doing things differently, people are going to like it. I get it. But it's the 2% that do that find the success. So my question today, are you bold enough to step outside of yourself and do things a little bit differently than everybody else does and change your attitude? If your attitude and something bad happened to you yesterday, let's flip it around and say, what can I do a little bit differently yesterday so I can change the outcome? Not sit there sitting in the puddle and waiting for someone to rescue you. Nobody's going to rescue you. The only person who's going to rescue you is yourself. And the first place that starts with is your attitude. So let's start making it great, living life on purpose, and dictating the outcome of your circumstances, and not letting life dictate how it works for you. You have an amazing day. Go be great.